Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to answer the question, how RPA is changing the way people work. Guys, this is Avinash Sabharwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. Industries and businesses cutting across sectors are increasingly turning to RPA or robotic process automation, an emerging technology that codes sophisticated software systems or robots to handle high volume, low value, repetitive tasks, freeing human labor for high value work. The advantages of adopting RPA are significant. By eliminating human error, the business makes a mark in quality assurance. Customer satisfaction increases several notches, and delivery systems become efficient. The cost of production climbs down substantially, and companies improve ROI. Now, employees in RPA workplace are oriented differently from yesteryears. Employees are struggling under the burden of routine, repetitive work, but notice that consumers demanding better services and products. Employees also expect companies to improve their working environment in the same spirit as improving customer satisfaction. The corporate response in the form of automation is expanding the comfort zone of employees. But there is a flip side to the RPA coin. With the rise of automation, people fear the consequences of RPA solutions replacing human labor and marginalizing the human touch. That was the core of service and product delivery. Such a threat could seem an exaggeration. RPA removes the urgency of routine work and sets the stage for workers to play a more decisive role in areas where human touch, care, and creativity are essential. Employees interpersonal are purposeful and productive. Now guys, with RPA, time consuming and menial tasks are taken over by automation. You feel intellectual capital and time for employees to employee interaction. Instead of a workplace where individuals mostly work in isolation, the RPA workspace has employees more willing to engage and connect mutually. We create an environment that is ideal for information gathering and experience sharing. Approach to work is shifting from randomly routine to strategically sensitive. With loads of time and better tools at their disposal, employees are more caring and sensitive to need for making a difference in the lives of customers. More employees are actively unlocking their reservoir of creativity. Instead of conventional approach of we'll give customers a good experience to make them happy, we see employees changing gears to strategy approach of we are going to give customers unforgettable experience, so they want us more. Employees are more conscious of quality and timely delivery. Now, companies are losing billions of dollars and millions of working hours through assembly line errors, defective products, and deficient services. And much time and energy and money go into rectifying the drawbacks to mainstream production. RPA is known to cut the manual error by almost 57%. With RPA substantially reducing the margin for error, employees can be given the training to focus more on customer service and delivery. Employees become more receptive to working in zero error environments where quality and timely delivery become bywords for operational excellence. Okay guys, so time to conclude about how RPA is changing the way people work, and I would say that to refresh what we have discussed, you can expect RPA investment to affect employees in three ways. First, RPA critically restructures the business processes, and you see employees having more time for mutual interaction, releasing the energy that fuels creativity. Also, employees focus their energies on strategic initiatives that help achieve organization goals. And third, but not the least, the reduction of manual error improves customer confidence, and tasks too complicated for humans become doable and straightforward. The employee experience is poised to scale another level because RPA is bringing change in personal information management, employee orientation, and training schedules, and employee need analysis. Guys, thank you for watching my video. And as you know, RPA is gaining momentum in corporate world. And it's time you guys update your RPA skills. If you want to learn RPA, it doesn't matter which field you are in, it's which industry you are in, or at which age level you are. You have to learn RPA today if you want to survive in the coming years. So give us a call and opt for our free career consultation. We have RPA business analyst course, and we have a lot of RPA courses. We have online instructor training. We have flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience. We have certifications. We prepare resume and prepare our participants for interview, and we also do placement assistance. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our new videos, and goodbye.